Pranam to respected resource person. It is our great pleasure that these two of these dignitaries of higher level with us. I feel this is the grace of God, and once again we have Girnar, the epitome of nature is with us, and the grace of Girnar with us. And today, a very special day, World Environmental Day. I wish all of you that we all be green, live green, think green, go green, and greenness may cover all of us. And this corona, what we call COVID, has taught us a lot. Both of the speakers have mentioned directly or indirectly. It has already started something which we were unaware of. It was with us, and ultimately it came to market, or it came into the position that we have started rethinking. We have started revisiting nature, revisiting Ayurveda from scientific and technical viewpoint. So I congratulate Professor Vyas for the organization of wonderful webinar in the form of this. This is really science from nature. Not only our nature, but science has connected with nature. He himself is the part and parcel of the entire webinar activities that is happening in the university. So I congratulate Dr. Suhas Vyas and the entire team and our technical team. And I really welcome both the speakers. They have given their best in a nutshell. Dr. Prasad, Mr. Prasad and Mr. Patel, in a very minute way, you have opened up the topic and given the best possible solutions. And this is really a great help to all the listeners. I can see that there are more than 2,600 registrations for this webinar. Right now from Zoom, 107 people are with us. And the same program has been shared or streamed over Facebook, and more than 4,000 people are with us right now on Facebook. So this is going to be a true valued program. In a real sense, this is in a true sense, it is a apt celebration of Environmental Day that we have celebrated. And earlier people used to celebrate Environmental Day by planting trees. And today you have planted so many new thoughts and ideas to the young researchers and young scholars. And it will come with some new beautiful trees and all. And the way in which the first speaker has started the notion of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, where we say Ganga Ma, Chanda Mama, Ganga Mata, Van Devi, Gai Mata. So this is our own nature. We feel proud of that. And how the same thing has been reflected in literature. When I was reading Abhigyan Shakuntalam written by Kalidas, in which then Shakuntala is leaving the ashram, at that time nature is crying. Prakriti jo roti hai, uska bahut bada varnan usme kiya gaya hai. So we always treat Prakriti as a living enmity. So that has been discussed. And if you come to literature, in Wordsworth, there was a poet called Wordsworth. He's called a nature poet. And he has nicely imbibed that emotion recollect into tranquilities. When you have you are in the lap of nature, you automatically get refreshed. So these were the things talked. And other poet, American poet Robert Frost has also talked about holistic part of nature. So if you are not in tune with nature, that what Mr. Patel has talked, that nature and Ayurveda, you should have the appropriate sense of the use of it. Otherwise, inappropriate use of all kind of things may create into the hazards also. But in a way, in a nutshell, it is a very good program. I really appreciate the effort taken by Life Science Department, and the Life Science Department, even though started in only 2017, but the faculties from the department have completed various projects with DST, SERB, Goose Coast, GSBTM, etc. So department is doing wonderful thing. All the students are also involved in everything. And the speakers, I'm very thankful to you. And we will have some separate sessions also with the same resource person in the new coming days. And at last, I would like to end my speech with the lines of American poet Robert Frost. He talks about this nature, that woods are lovely, dark and deep. Woods are lovely, dark and deep. and miles to go before I sleep and miles to go before I sleep. So this